All right, guys, I've got a real nice heavy-duty commercial grade X-Mark Lazer Z 60-inch fabricated commercial deck with a heavy-duty reinforcement all the way around. It's got the oversized front casters with the really big back wheels and separate pump and drive system, dual fuel tanks. It's got an upgraded seat, not a suspension seat, but as nice of a seat as you could get without suspension. It's got the roll bars on it, and it's got a 24 horsepower commercial grade overhead valve motor. That's a Kohler, if I remember right. Yes, it is. Come around this side, it's really clean all the way around. Still got the grass chute on it. Everything about this mower operates real well. I'll jump on, show you what she's all about. Hour meter says 96. We all know that's not true on a mower this age, so it doesn't work. But very clean looking mower, been well taken care of. Fires right up. No smoke, real smooth. I'll idle it down for you. Not rattling around or bumping or anything like that. No noises that shouldn't be there. Rev her back up. You got your deck adjustment right here. Just lift it out of that slot, drop it into wherever you've got your pin. Okay. I'm going to raise that up one slot. That's all the way down on the ground here. Drop it in. Oop. Gotta have your e-brake off. Safety first, everybody. Okay. Blades. Mower's got a real good, nice high blade tip speed. Raise the deck back up. Nice clean cut. Idle it back down. Good mower. Nice strong mower right here.